Wait a minute, have you been seeing all these incredible songs lately?
Let me be, let me. When you move like that on me.
Did you know they were entirely created by AI? A lot of people are absolutely loving them because of how incredibly good and professional they sound. What does this mean for the future? It means AI is going to take the lead in so many industries. Now, you might be used to apps like Suno, but today I've got some hot news for you. I've brought you another fantastic platform that will help you create high-quality music effortlessly. Just listen to this track I made.
Grew where the sirens sing lullabies. Mama cry, bills high, dreams minimized. Sidewalk cracks told stories, we survive every step of.
And this one right here.
Mama kept the lights on to keep the bill low. I learned how to count crumbs and still act like I know. Soup stretched thin in a dented red pot. Rent due by noon and the heat got shot.
And the most amazing part? I actually own the licenses and hold the full rights to use these songs as my own. Before we dive into the tutorial, please take just 5 seconds to hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and go down to the comments and type ready. This lets me know you're with me, and it motivates me to bring you even more great deals. Welcome to AI Builders Academy. My name is Fred, and I'm thrilled to have you here. Let's get started. Open your preferred browser. I'm using Google Chrome, and type in MusicMake AI. Scroll down just a bit, and here it is. This is the app we're going to use today. Don't worry if you have trouble finding it. I've left the direct link for you in the description and the pinned comment below. Once you open it, you'll land on a beautifully designed homepage that looks exactly like this. Your first step is to log in or sign up. If it's your first time, click to create an account. You'll see the option to sign in with Google or GitHub. I personally chose Google. Let's proceed. And boom, our account is ready. Here's a quick tip you need to know. When you create an account, they give you a free monthly plan to generate your songs. If you have multiple emails, you know what I mean. However, if you want to use this professionally for your daily workflow and create unlimited tracks, I highly recommend upgrading. You can easily get a subscription using PayPal or Stripe. Let me show you exactly how to use it. I'll be using their free plan for this demonstration. This platform features its very own music agent. Let's click on it. You can chat with it just like you would with ChatGPT or any other AI chatbot. I typed, "Hello," and it replied, "Hello, how can I assist you today?" Then I gave it this prompt. I want you to write me a beautiful love song that goes slow and is emotional. And also write me a rap song about life on the street because it is hard. I hit send, and it immediately started generating our music. The AI works flawlessly, and you don't have to wait long at all. And done. It created a track called Cold Hand Ledger. Let's play it so you can hear it.
I survived this road with a cold hand ledger and a worn out soul. I survived this road.
It's an amazing song, complete with vocals and full lyrics. Once you're satisfied, you just hit download and save it to your device. Now let's create another track using a different method. Go over to ChatGPT and give it your song idea. I used the same prompt. I want you to write me a beautiful love song and a rap song. ChatGPT quickly wrote some excellent lyrics for me. Next, I'll copy the lyrics for the second song, the rap song. Go back to the platform and click on the text to music feature. Paste your prompt and lyrics right here. Now, you can select your preferred genre. There are plenty of genres and moods to choose from. I'm going to scroll down, select UK Drill, and click Generate. Let's wait just a few seconds while it finishes our song. And done. Take a listen.
Yeah, it's cold out here. You either learn or you break. Grew where the sirens sing lullabies. Mama cry, bills high, dreams minimized. Sidewalk cracks told stories we.
How does that sound? Once you're happy with it, click Download. Make sure you also download its license. This is crucial. If you ever get a copyright claim anywhere, you can submit this license to clear it because you legally own the rights to the track. Over here, you can see a gallery of other generated songs. If you look around, you'll find the billing section where you can upgrade to Basic, Pro, or max plans if you want to use it like a true professional. Additionally, if English isn't your first language, you can easily change the platform's language right here from their available options. But wait, there's more. The platform also features a built-in audio converter. Just upload your audio file here and select your desired format. You can choose from MP3, WAV, OGG Vorbis, AAC, FLAC, or M4A. I chose MP3, and done, our audio is successfully converted. Another incredibly powerful feature inside MusicMake AI is Qwen 3TTS, text-to-speech. If you click on it, you can type or paste your script to generate professional voiceovers. Let me copy a script and paste it in to show you. As you can see, there are many high-quality, realistic voices you can choose from. I'll paste my script, hit Generate Speech, and done. Take a listen to this amazing voiceover I just created.
Concrete dreams. Yeah, we chasing hope through the smoke, through the pain, trying to learn to cope. Every scar got a story we don't show in the streets where the cold winds blowing in.
And there you have it, guys. Creating high-quality professional music, converting audio, and generating realistic voiceovers using AI has never been this easy. Whether you are a content creator, a musician, or just someone looking to experiment, this platform is an absolute game changer, especially since you own the rights to the music you create. If you found value in this video, please do me a massive favor. Smash that like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of the cutting-edge AI tools and tutorials I have coming up. Also, let me know down in the comments, what kind of song are you going to generate first? Are you going for a love song, a rap beat, or something completely different? I can't wait to read your ideas. Don't forget, the link to try out the platform is right down in the description and the pinned comment. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, my name is Fred from AI Builders Academy, and I will see you in the next video. Stay creative and take care.
Yeah, we chasing hope through the smoke, through the pain. Concrete dreams, we still on the road. We don't fall, we don't break. Concrete dreams. Concrete dreams, we still on the road. Late nights counting change on the table. Thinking one day I might make it stable. Mama said, baby, keep your head up high. So I wore that pain like a suit and tie. Every scar got a name, every loss got a weight. But I kept on walking, I kept on faith. If the whole world doubted me, I still move. Every wound in my heart turned into fuel. If I fall, I rise again. If I bend, I don't break. Tell my fears they came too late. I was built from the hate. Come